What's up, divas? What's up, D-Buzz? What's up, D-Bos? What's up, coloring besties? What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? I hope you're all having like a really great day when you're watching this video. You know, girl, it's time to color. I haven't done one of these videos in like a little bit over a month, and I'm really excited to bring this to you. Okay, like I have something special today. Finally, something different. Not even different, but y'all know, listen, let me just say this before we even get into the coloring book thing. Hope you all are having like a really blessed day. Thank you for joining me in this video. For all of my coloring besties out there, thank you for coming through. I am so happy to be here. You guys know coloring is like my #1 hobby. This is a nightly thing for me. I love to color. And girl, when I get something new or I find something new, I'm definitely here to share it with you. So first of all, I do not have any new markers yet. And I say yet because I do have like 4 or 6 different markers coming, not like 6 individual markers, but 6 different packs of markers coming from Shein. So I will be doing a Shein sponsored video on markers and coloring books within the next week or so. But until then, this is my own sponsored video. Like, ain't nobody sponsored this but me and myself and I. Like, if anybody gonna pay for my habit, it's gonna be me. Sometimes my kids be extra nice too. But so today's video is definitely coloring books. And listen, girl, you are a melanated sister, if you are a melanated diva, if you are a woman of color, these coloring books are just for you. Nothing against anybody else, but these coloring books are just for you. So y'all know how I love this one illustrator. She has the best Black girl coloring books, okay? And like I found, like when you're on Amazon, it's really hard to find like some really good ones. I have returned so many of them, and some of them I have just not even bothered to color in just because of the aesthetic of the coloring book. It could be the background, it could be the picture itself, the drawing, it could be the paper. There are a lot of books that I really have returned due to over shading of the actual photo. Now y'all know I only color with markers. I don't use any type of crayons or color pencils. They just make your fingers hurt more by the impressions. That's what I always get, and I just feel like markers are the best for me. I know how to blend, I know how to color with them, so markers are definitely my favorite. And I did bring one of my marker carts out. This is 1 of 2, okay? About to be 3. I have a lot of markers, and I love that for me. This is what I like to do. I ain't hurting nobody, I'm minding my business, and I'm just coloring. Here's the thing, y'all know I love this one particular illustrator, which is Nael. She is on Amazon. She has so many different coloring books for Black women, and I love that. You know when you be on Amazon, but you know when you scroll down, you may see other books that may interest you depending on what you looked up. Finally have I found another artist or illustrator. This young lady's name is Monica Chapman. I got 4 new books by her. She has a lot of books too, and I'll definitely link it below because I got them from Amazon, and they are also in the same price as Nael's. So this one is the Many Hats She Wears. This book is so cute. Like, it has some really nice pictures. The pictures almost remind me a little bit of Nael's, but the backgrounds are totally different. So I'm gonna just show you a little bit of her book. This was $10, and hopefully y'all can see that. I'm not gonna go through page by page, but I'm just gonna show you what you'll get if you purchase her book, the coloring book for celebrating motherhood. Now you will notice some of the hairstyles might be like a little bit, you know, shaded in. Nothing too much that you'd have to worry about, but she has some really nice pictures, and I was so geeked about how great her illustrations were. But it's also very nice to be able to find other artists who also can fit your expectations when it comes to coloring books for Black women. But I like this coloring book. I haven't had the opportunity to color in any of them yet. You see there's a lot of detail, and some people may not like all the details, and that's fine too. Now the next one is also by Monica Chapman, and this one is the Y2K Nostalgia. Okay, so this is a coloring book of early 2000 teen vibes. And I love this because it just shows what we used to do back in the days. And this book is really cool too because it just features all Black children, teens, and what have you, and the era, the clothing, what have you. And I find this book to be really nice. And I find like this one is really cool because look at all the detail. They have the PlayStation, they've got DMX, Jay-Z, Outkast posters. They have a lot of detail. My thinking is, my daughter Mumsy said it looks like it could be a AI coloring book. So that is the nostalgia book, which I'm really excited about. Then next we have the Curves in Cozy Spaces coloring book. So this one here is just for cozy times. It's a lot of us curvy girls. So like I said, I'm gonna just go through a couple of the pages, but you also get a lot of pages with so many drawings and a lot of detail on it. And I love that. Like, who doesn't love good detail? Look at these pages. These are some really, really nice coloring books. And like I said, I'm just gonna flip through them. I'm not gonna show you page for page because girl, we be here all day, okay? I love the hairstyles that are giving in this, and I love the illustrations. Now, yeah, there are a lot of details in this, as in the background, and sometimes I don't like to have so much details in the background, but these are great if you don't want to be done quickly with your coloring book. Now, this one right here by Monica Chapman, girl, when I seen this one, I was like, Abstract Queens, a geometric coloring book for women. Girl, this is what I'm talking about. This coloring book is everything. Now, this is the full pages, as you guys can see. Do you see these pages? Look at this. This is a beautiful coloring book. I love these pages. These are just pictures of women with different hairstyles, Black women, and just abstract art behind them. I love this because this is so aesthetically pleasing. The pictures in this are awesome. I'm loving this coloring book, and I was feeling like, you know what, this is going to be the one that I color first out of Monica's books because these pictures are so pretty, really pretty, and every book was $9.99. Now, moving right along, I did buy some new ones from Nael, and this one right here is the Baddie Bites. Big Moods, Big Appetite. Now, she has this one on her page, but she also has some really, really great books as well. Y'all know she is my favorite. You can follow her on social media. This is one of the pages that I colored so far in this book. And y'all know I love the color, okay? So I felt like this one was the perfect page. Sometimes I try to start at the very beginning of the coloring book, but then it's like a no for me. I want to find my favorite page first, and then I just go from there. So this one is very interesting, and yes, she was also $9. $9.99 on Amazon. The next one I got is the Slayed and Laid one, and this is all about getting your hair done and hanging with your baddie friends, okay? Hanging with your friends. So the one thing about Ash's paper, I love the paper that she has her coloring books on because it's a great paper. It's smooth, it's not grainy, it's easy to color. The colors come out nice and vibrant. And also on top of that, she does explain if you're going to use markers, please put some paper between the pages so that way the markers don't bleed on to the next one. And I use construction paper, like colored construction paper with mines. And then the last book, and I don't remember if I've ever showed you guys this because she's fairly new also, is the Cowgirl one by Nael. And I did get this recently, and I have colored in it online. So there are some pages that are colored in here, and I'll show you those first. And I do believe I might have showed you guys this. I don't remember, so I'm just going to re-show you. This is one that I have to finish, the to be continued coloring, so I'll finish that tomorrow. But she has some really nice pictures, and I'll just show you some of it that I've colored. This is one that I colored online for Real Talk with Everybody. So, and this was also a 2-part one, you know, but these are really great coloring books, and I feel like her detail is perfect. She doesn't give too much fine detail in the back, which is great because I don't want to spend forever on a coloring page. I want to just get it going and pat and move along. But you guys, yes, this is what I wanted to share with you guys real quick. I got some new coloring books, and I hope you guys take a moment to just check them out on Amazon. If you're looking for a new Black coloring book, girl, check out Monica Chapman. She is a great artist. I've gotten 4 from her that I just purchased, and I'm really, really geeked about this one right here. Beautiful illustrations, but also I feel like a lot of these might be a little bit more detailed than the next, but they're also really great coloring books. So if you don't want to finish fast, you still have something to get through in color. If you're looking for some really great coloring books and you are a woman of color, you definitely want to check out Nael and Monica Chapman on Amazon. They have some really great books that are great for coloring. But I've been doing this coloring thing since 2019 when my son passed, and it just helped me be able to free my mind and to think about other things versus him not being around anymore. So that's the reason why I started coloring. It helped me a lot just to get through certain situations. And it's a great hobby. It gives you a peace of mind. Instead of spending time on your phone, you're coloring, you're listening to the TV in the background, and it just keeps you at ease. And that's the real reason why I started coloring, like I said to you guys before. But I didn't start with markers. I started with color pencils, and I find like coloring to be just like something that I really, really enjoy doing. I love to color, and you know, it's my hobby. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, and I will see y'all soon. Stay diva and divalicious, and if you stayed around to the end, please give me a red heart, and also please, please, please hype this video up. So I love y'all. Stay diva, divalicious, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.